So in this video, you'll learn how to permanently delete voice recordings from your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. So the first step is to access the voice recorder app, and then from here, you'll be brought to your voice recordings. The next step is to ensure that you've deleted the voice recordings first. So go ahead and long press on a voice recording to delete. And then once you've confirmed and you've moved them to the trash, then the next step is to completely erase them from your device. So to do that, just navigate to the recycle bin on your Z Fold 7. And then you should be able to see all the deleted voice recordings listed right here. So now you can just tap on empty at the very top right corner and confirm your choice by tapping on delete. Once you've done that, it means that you've permanently deleted the voice recordings from your Z Fold 7. You'll no longer be able to restore them, and they'll be completely removed from your device. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.